Hello everyone, I'm gonna build this Eiffel Tower from Artherapy. I saw a model of this puzzle in the store and this is tall as heck. This cost 249 pesos, which is about 5 US dollars. This one is 20 inches tall, which means this is kinda gigantic. And this is the instructions on how to build the puzzle. It's all written in a single page. This puzzle includes a sandpaper, which is very handy because this puzzle has a very poor wood quality, which I will show you later on. So this one doesn't really show you the exact step-by-step procedure on how to assemble the puzzle. In order to assemble it, you need to find pieces that have the same names or have the same number. So for example, if I choose the number 4, I need to find the other piece that has a number 4 in it, which is this one, and that means that those two need to be fitted together. I know that I'll need to do a lot of sanding in this puzzle because, as I've said before, the wood quality is not that really good, and I'm really hoping that the puzzle would turn out fine. The wood pieces aren't that difficult to remove from the board, although there are times where a few surface wood would chip off, like this one for example. It is really frustrating for me because I don't really like it when this thing happens. In other puzzles that I've done before, I never really used this sandpaper, but in this puzzle I used it a lot. So this piece just broke off while I was removing some pieces of the puzzle. These pieces have a lot of thin strips to the sides, and if you try to remove it, it doesn't really look good. This will happen. Yeah, it looks really ugly. This happens to puzzles that uses a bad quality of wood, but that's alright, I guess. Let's just focus on assembling this puzzle. I had a lot of struggle putting this square piece on top. It's just really hard, but I managed to do it anyway. So these pieces were included in the puzzle, but they were not labeled and they were not part of the illustrations. So I figured maybe they are what we will use to piece together the body of the puzzle and the base. So we will insert the long piece into these holes and the short one will be inserted at the top. So I will demonstrate it. I will insert this long piece and into the two holes there, and then once I insert it, I will use the short one as a stopper. So in that way, these two major pieces will stay together. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, please subscribe if you want more content like this. Bye.